Hey everyone, Not Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a red velvet snowball cookies.
Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you need 1 cup of butter softened to room temperature, so that's 2 sticks, a half a cup of confectioner sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 teaspoons of red food coloring, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup of baking cocoa, a half a teaspoon of salt, and then an additional 1/2 to 3/4 cup of confectioner sugar for rolling. In a large bowl, we're going to mix together the half a cup of confectioner sugar, 2 sticks of butter, vanilla extract, and red food coloring, and beat it with an electric mixer for 1 to 2 minutes until fluffy. Next, add in the flour, cocoa powder, and salt, and just mix it again until a crumbly dough forms. That looks great. I used my electric mixer, and then I just used the spatula in my hands to really make it all come together. So now we are going to cover this and refrigerate it for 20 minutes. My 20 minutes is up, so I'm going to preheat my oven to 375 and line a large cookie sheet with parchment paper. Next, let's make the cookies. You want to take tablespoon size balls in your hand and just squish it in your hand a few times to bring the dough together, and then roll them into balls, and then you want to dip them in your confectioner sugar. You should get 36 cookies, and they don't spread much, so you can fit a lot on a cookie sheet. Now let's get these into the oven for 7 to 9 minutes, just until they're golden brown. You don't want to overbake them. My cookies just came out of the oven, and I'm going to let them cool off a bit, and then I'm going to re-roll them in confectioner sugar again. After the cookies cool completely, you can go ahead and roll them in the confectioner sugar again, and then just put them in an airtight container. These little cookies are so good. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!